If you're planning to sell tickets for your events, having multiple payment options is a must. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set up WooCommerce, Stripe, and PayPal with Eventin so your attendees can pay however they prefer. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. First, head over to the Settings page. Then tap on Payments and enable WooCommerce. But to use the basic WooCommerce payment methods, you need to confirm it's installed and activated. Then move on to the WooCommerce payment settings. With the free version, you can use these methods. Now again, go back to the Eventin payment settings and enable Stripe with the credentials. Do the same procedure for PayPal also. Now let's check one by one. Yes, first payment with WooCommerce is successfully done. Now purchase a ticket and complete the payment with Stripe and PayPal. So that's how you can integrate Stripe and PayPal with Eventin and sell your event tickets easily. We hope this tutorial helped you configure payment gateways for your event and sell tickets using Eventin. For more tutorials like this, stay connected and follow our social channels. Thanks for watching.